Hello, good morning. It's back with me with Agnes from Kopi dan Tanaman. Today we were having some cute little planters here. This is a planter from Artbirru. This is our collaboration giveaway with Artbirru, so you will receive a planter and a plant. This here we have a succulent, a very nice succulent that we will move to this planter. So in this video we will show you how to move a plant from a current planter to a new one. So let's see it up and close. And this is the planter. This planter is a concrete planter from Artbirru. This is handmade, made from concrete, and it's very nice. Look at it. This will be a good decoration for your house. So let's get on with the repotting. So that is all to it from moving your current plant into a new planter. In this planter from Artbirru, we use a succulent to move in its new planter, and you can also do that if you have rock decorations or any top coating. Take it off first and then move to another container. You move the plant and then put back the soil in. Make sure to use the media that is just right for the plant. For this one we use a very porous type of media because this is a succulent, so we use a very high porous media mix with a lot of volcanic rocks, and it's a very porous one. So after that we move the plant into its new planter and we top it with the decorative rocks, and that's all to it. So this is all from me today, from Agnes from Kopi dan Tanaman. I hope that you, your family, and your plants are doing well. If you like our videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. And let us know if you would like to see any type of content so we could help you to be a better gardener. And see you later until the next video. Bye bye.